Flavor starts with consistency. The Horizon 69% Humidity Pack is your first line of defense against time, air, and unpredictability. Each pack is designed to maintain a precise 69% relative humidity, ideal for preserving the character, aroma, and draw of your cigars. Whether stored in a travel case or a small humidor, Horizon works silently and efficiently. No refills, no activation, no scent. Just a two-way system that adds or removes moisture as needed. So your cigars age evenly and stay ready. At 8 grams per pack, it's perfectly sized for compact storage. Up to 6 cigars per unit, with consistent control for up to 60 days. Each pack comes sealed in a resealable, high-barrier zip pouch. When unopened, shelf life reaches 1 full year. Minimal and essential in function. Horizon doesn't just protect your cigars, it protects the ritual. Because true flavor doesn't happen by chance. It's maintained with precision.